This is the ALI 8-year overview reading for the years 2022 through 2029. It's currently March 26, 2023, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. ALI at the time of this reading, 0.03851, or just over 38 cents per coin. That's artificial liquid intelligence. Alright, so the overall theme and behavior for the 8-year period is there's a period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move higher standing out on a multi-year scale. It's crossed with a significant opportunity before a major decline. Matter of fact, it looks like there's a major decline. Out of the decline, there's a big move to the upside, which in turn offers an opportunity to position oneself for a downturn. This is on a multi-year scale kind of chart. Behavior around the highest high, there's an almost irrational move to reach for the highest high, to reach for a distant resistance level or create a new resistance level. It's like it's far away, so like it'll be further away than like the first several resistance that you see on a chart. And then behavior around the lowest low, we do some sideways rotation, establish and support along a key support level on a multi-year scale. There's a notable move out of that establishment to the upside, standing out on a multi-year scale, followed by the establishment of support at a higher level. That'll be the behavior out of the lowest low. 2022, we have a sideways S formation that takes place within a channel. So from resistance, we decline to support, reverse, go all the way back to resistance, reverse, go all the way back to support. 2023, notable decline through multiple support levels. 2024, an important bottom that's highlighted on a multi-year scale. 2025, there's usually there's usually something to do with like a leader that's not usual to see in the highlights, but as far as a chart is concerned, it's probably like a holding pattern with the pop and drop in there. It might be something to do with Congress in 2025 as well. 2026, we have erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. In the midst of that erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level, we revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity on a scale of a 10-year kind of reading. Recently is like within like a 3-year period usually. So maybe we revisit the crest from this pop and drop. 2027, we have a move higher through resistance. We stay above it briefly, and then there's a full retracement of that move back to the downside. 2028, out of a decline from that peak up through resistance and then back down in 2027, declining into 2028, and then there's a fast sudden move higher marking the end of that decline, followed by it looks like a new high in 2029, a new high, at least a new local high. Might not be an all-time high, but often this is the abundance card has to do with a new high, where we move through resistance, we stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. I'm advised to trade around a notable decline that increases with momentum moving forward in time. And the sneak preview for the following 10-year period is kind of like flat. There's a resistance level that's highlighted probably multiple times throughout the next 10-year period. All right, guys, if you want to see the full prediction, we're going to get into the Eso-Meta analysis portion where through pattern recognition, we determine where the highest high and lowest low are going to be, as well as the best trade opportunity, if there is a good one. Check out our YouTube channel, Tarot for Traders. It's with the word FOR, not the number 4. We've got something like almost 1,300 free predictions there, and we're running roughly a 98% average accuracy. You don't need to wait 8 years to gauge my accuracy on an 8-year prediction. Go check out one of my S&P 500 daily predictions where we're predicting chart patterns by the hour, and we do that every single day. We've been doing it for years, free on YouTube, guys. I'll see you there. Okay, so looking at the pattern recognition portion, looks like we're still in the Queen of Cups, which is a 2022 card, which is declining from resistance to support, reversing going all the way back to resistance, then reversing going all the way back to support. This is kind of like a elongated Queen of Cups. So with that said, we should see more decline in 2023 and into a bottom in mid-2024. There's a trade opportunity in 2024 to open up a long position and hold it until the cusp of 2026-27, where we revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity in the midst of some erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. And since we don't have much of a crest to work with, I'd say that we're probably revisiting the 14 cents per coin kind of area there. And then that's followed by a decline, a sharp decline into 2028, followed by a fast sudden move higher out of that decline, possibly to a higher high in 2029. Another trade opportunity there in the following 10-year period as well. So probably we see a higher price level there in 2029, in the following 10-year period. In any case, that's ALI for the 8-year period, 2022 through 2029. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma. And as always, my friends, I'll see you on the next one.